guys, I am Nabamita and you're watching my channel Nabamita Ma'am. So those who have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe my channel and share my channel as much as possible to get all the new updates, and watch this video till the end to get all the phrasal verbs. If you like this video, then please do hit the like button. So without further ado, I will straight away dive into today's video of phrasal verbs. The first phrasal verb is came into. Came into means to inherit. The boy came into a large fortune after his father's death, which means कि लड़के को अपनी पिता की संपत्ति मिल गई उसके पिता के निधन के बाद. Came at, which means to attack. The burglar came at me with a knife. इसका मतलब चोर मेरे तरफ एक छुरी लेकर आगे आया मुझे अटैक करने के लिए. Came about, which means to happen. The incident came about in a short notice. इसका मतलब ये है कि एक घटना जो कि अचानक से घट गई, वो भी बहुत शॉर्ट नोटिस में, मतलब अभी किसी को पता चलते चलते ही वो घटना घट गई. नेक्स्ट, came up, which means to appear. The boy came up with a new idea. मतलब लड़के के दिमाग में एक नया आइडिया आया. So he came up with a new idea. The idea appeared in his head. Next, come off, which means to take place. Did the wedding come off? क्या शादी हुई थी? The last one is come after, which means to follow. मतलब पीछा करना. I saw 3 boys come after me. मैंने देखा 3 लड़के मेरा पीछा कर रहे थे. Anyway guys, if you have liked my today's video, please do hit the like button, and for more such updates, keep watching my channel Nabamita Ma'am. Stay tuned, stay healthy. Bye bye.